I learned this trick from a friend in Italy. Now I only make chicken like this. For this recipe, we'll need 2 chicken breasts. I make a cut in each one and add 4 ice cubes, 2 in each cut. Once that's done, we set it aside. Tell me, what chicken recipe do you like making the most? I'd love to know. Now we cut the chicken into strips and then into cubes. And before I forget, tell me what city you're watching from so I can send you a special shout out. Today's shout out goes to Amanda Lewis from Tampa, Florida. I'm really happy you're enjoying our recipes. I transfer everything to a bowl and then add half a potato, which I grate using a peeler. Now I add 1 egg, 3 cloves of garlic crushed, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix everything really well. Next, we add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour and mix again. This recipe turns out incredibly delicious. Make it at home and come back to tell me what you thought. I'm sure you'll love it. In a pan, I add olive oil, spread it with a brush, and then add the mixture. I spread it out so it cooks evenly. Then I cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes. After that time, I flip it using a plate. Now I add grated mozzarella on top to taste, 1 egg yolk, and cover with more grated mozzarella. At this point, I fold it over to cover the filling. And you end up with a nutritious and very flavorful recipe.